This is a song from the full-length record. It's called Harlem.
My city's had a lot of trouble sleeping. She's up all night, breaking through the windows and the ceilings, scraping stars from the sky. And my city's made a habit out of crying all through the night. They say she likes the harmony of sirens and the time of the traffic light. But I love my city, my sleepless city. I'll do her sleeping for free. My sleepless city, yeah, she can do my crying for me. My city's picking fights across the water with a worn out moon, and I watch her from my honey-colored corner, a quiet room where I hung black and white, but it's been fading on the yellow wall in Harlem since she left that night. But I love my city, my sleepless city. I'll do her sleeping for free. Yeah, I love my city, my sleepless city. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. Sleepless city, I do her sleeping for free. Yeah, I love my city, my sleepless city. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. Yeah.